Step into the 2014 Ram 1500. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and one-touch window functionality. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.